Okay, folks, example number 2 says find the sum. Okay. First thing, what do I need to do first? What should I do first, Maggie H? Okay, I'm going to rewrite this. Okay, when I look at negative 19, do I need to change anything with negative 19, CB? No, I'm just going to leave that as negative 19. Okay. What about back here? What happens back there? How do I write that? Suzette? I don't write it as 20. I write it as negative 20. Suzette, you and I need to talk about this for a minute. In front of the 20, how many negatives do I have? 1. Reagan, is 1 an odd number or an even number? It's an odd number. If I have an odd number of negatives, what's the sign, Eric?
It's positive. No, it's negative.
An odd number of negatives is going to give me a negative, right? So now I've got negative 19 minus 20. But let me ask you this, Jack. Does this really say negative 19 minus 20? No. What it really says is negative 19 plus negative 20, right? What do I get if I have 19 negatives and 20 negatives? What do I get? Harry? Negative 39. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. My motto. What does this stand for?
Stupid.
Okay, that's me, not you. That's me. Got to remember, I have to keep it simple, stupid. Don't make it hard for yourself. Everything's hard for you anyway. Keep it as simple as possible. So I'm keeping it as simple as I possibly can for me. Okay? Let's look at another one. How about another crazy, nasty problem? Oh. Okay, what about this one? Let's do this. How about, yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, there's our problem. Huh, that's crazy. You can do it, all right? Let's see. What should this first one be when I simplify all that craziness? What should it be, Paris? Paris says it should be positive 15. Does anyone disagree with that? Sarah says she disagrees with that. Sarah, how many negatives are in front of the 15? Okay, so Sarah's backing off of that. How many negatives are in front of the 15, CB?
3. It's 4.
4. And is 4 an odd number or an even number, Pace?
It is.
4 is even, so that means 15 is going to be positive. Because this one and this one cancel, and that one cancel. So it's all positive. Okay? What about the 13? Should the 13 be written as, once I simplify all those negatives and plus signs and all that stuff, should it be positive or should it be negative? Reagan? Reagan says negative 13. Does everybody agree with that? How many negatives are in front of the 13, Sam? 3. Is that odd or even? Odd. And odd means what, Sam? You got it. All right, so now we're done. We simplified all that craziness. What about this one back here? What should it be? Jack? Jack says positive 20. Does anyone disagree with that? How many negatives are in front of the 20? Remember, I only count negatives. How many negatives are in front of the 20, CB?
4.
4. And is that an even or an odd number, Christina?
Even.
And what does even mean?
Positive.
Perfect. Now, I've got these 3 things to combine. Okay. What do you want to combine first, Maggie H? 15 and the negative 13, and what do you get?
2.
All right, so that gives us 2 plus 20. And what do I get when I combine positive 2 and positive 20? Harris? 22. Positive 20.